This is part 42 of infinite trading method. We trade at the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. If both indicators are under their halfway points, we sell. If they're over the halfway points, we buy. Right? Let's go. So we buy here. It's halfway. It's halfway, but it went up for a sec. So we buy. But it doesn't matter if we win or lose, right? That's not what matters. So you're gonna see this for a sec. Not this. You're gonna see this. Gonna listen to this, and we're gonna back to this.
Both growing old and passing away, these are things that make being human beautiful. Those may seem like weaknesses to you, but our lives are all the more precious and honorable because of them. You see, true strength does not just refer to the physical
It's a
body.
dub. True strength does not just refer to the physical body. Speaking of which, you see beauty. It's all around you, you know. Life is so beautiful, bro. And we're gonna buy here for 2. It's gonna bounce off this. Um, life is really beautiful, bro. Like everything about life is beautiful. The hardships, the good parts, the bad parts, everything is beautiful. And it's just if you look around with a mind of, hey, I'm actually going to die. I should take in and appreciate as much as I can before that time, right? As much as you can. We fail to realize, bro, you're smart. You're smart. You're here watching a trading video. You are very smart. You are extremely brilliant. And if you're watching trading, you should know that nothing good is easy. Nothing good is easy. So that means if you want to become great, you would have to do hard things. You would have to do difficult things. But guess what? Your mind is set up in a way to do difficult things. That's how you're built to do the difficult things in life, right? So why not do them, bro? Solve as much problems as you can. Look at the problems, bro. World hunger. You can decide to solve that today. Today, you can decide, hey, fuck that. I'm solving that shit, bro. Who's gonna stop you? Who's gonna stop you? You're gonna make some excuses of who could stop you, but the only limitation is yourself, right? If you're a boxer, if you're a runner, there's other people running against you. Are they going to stop you? The only limitation is yourself. The only limitation is what you can do, right? We're gonna trade for 10 minutes, so we're gonna stop at 9:43, right? And with that, bro, you literally be able to anybody, any human, any day of the week has the potential to go as far as he pleases, as far as he pleases, bro. You can go wherever you want in this universe, only if you really want to. Only if that drive and that hunger is there. Because you see, hunger, bro, hunger would push us to do things we've never thought we could have done before. Hunger would drive us past that point of self pity and self wallowing. Hunger is what would push you forward. You need to be hungry for what you want. You need to be starving for what you want. You need to go get it. Every day you wake up, you do something towards that goal, to become a plumber, to become a firefighter, to become a mechanic, to become a pilot, to become a surgeon. Only you can do that shit. Nobody's gonna sit and do that shit for you. What do you think life is? You think shit's sweet? You think shit's sweet? Really? You think this shit's sweet? Nobody's gonna do that shit for you, bro. You have to wake up every day and decide to do that yourself. And bro, when you understand that you're going to die, you would want to do everything in this world because you're going to die. Are you going to die being the man that nobody remembered? I heard somebody say that there's nothing wrong with being the man that nobody remembered. There's nothing wrong with being ordinary. Of course, there's everything wrong with being ordinary. Of course, because it's like this: your brain is capable of lifting any problem there is on Earth. You wanna go to another galaxy? We can. Elon Musk can. He can. I heard him say in the interview the other day, it's going to be hard and difficult. Nobody. It's going to be the best thing you've ever done in your life. You can do it, right? And it's to do it, right? He's doing it. He doesn't need me. He's doing it and he's going to do it, and I hope he never stops. And we can go to any universe, any galaxy, any place we want, but it's up to us to do it. And it's like this: if we can go to any galaxy we want, the human mind can lift any problem. A man's mind is extremely powerful, no? It is. It is actually extremely powerful. So how about we use it? It's like this. Currently, there's billions of humans using their minds as how you would use your body. So let's say you just lift a pinky every single day, and then you go to sleep. You wake up the next day, you just lift your pinky. You go to sleep. You wake up the next day, you lift your pinky. You go to sleep. That's how the humans use their minds currently, right? You can decide to do things, bro. You can decide to change things, bro. You can decide to be different, be ultimately the person who's going to change everything, bro. Nobody's gonna stop you. Nobody's gonna come up to you and say, "Hey, you're doing something bad." And it's, I mean, you can do bad things. Look at Hitler showed us that you can be an absolutely bad person. You can, you absolutely can. Did that lose? It lost. Yeah. I should restart this. No, I shouldn't. I'm gonna continue trading as if it lost. Here we sell. Oh my god, I restarted. Let's just stop this and reopen this. Yeah, and you can decide to go the bad route of changing things. You can decide to kill people and change things, but you can also decide to go the good route, because ultimately the bad eats itself. It eats itself alive. So we just lost $2. We can eat it. We're doing four. And now we can eat it. We're doing four. We would have gotten it if we sold up here though, because you see where it is at. So I'm going back up for shit. And then it was down there at 30 seconds. So you know the vibe. Anyways, last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, RSI, CCI. And if you're not a trader and you're watching this video, you might not get what I'm saying. You might not even believe what I'm saying. But if you are a trader and you're watching this video, you're like, who the fuck is this guy? How did he figure this shit out? Well, how is he trading like this and always winning? Like, why? Why is he doing that? Every minute he's making a trade? Who trades like this, bro? Show me one person who trades like this, bro. And this isn't my trading method. This is life. This is how life works. This is how life works. You toss your best card, you throw your best card, you make a well-informed decision, and it would most likely work out in your favor. And even if it doesn't, guess what? You have another chance. You try again. 4 and 2 is 6. We make $2.57 off this trade. Right? It's your opportunity to try again. You try again. Nobody else is gonna try for you. Nobody else is gonna do that shit for you. You need to do that shit yourself, bro. Bruv, only you, only you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, infinite trading method, infinity and beyond infinity, and realizing that you're part of a system of consciousness, just as how your germs are a part of your consciousness. You're a part of an extremely big system of consciousness, which is God. And you are omnipotent, and you are powerful, and you are worthy of everything you want in this life. So 9 and 4 and 2 is 15, $2.10 off this trade. Yay! So here we buy for, oh my, should have waited, boy. You're too thirsty. And that's fine, because we have something in store for that. If 19 loses and we do 41, and 41 would give you back. I'll show you the profits in a sec. I'll show you the profits in a sec. Give it a sec. Let this trade win or lose. Whatever. 19 and 1, that's 20. 34 and 41 gives you back 35, is it? 39. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $6.05. Wait, is it 6? 4, 5 and 4 is 9, so $5.05. My bad. So we buy here for 41. If 41 loses, then we do 89. And yeah, and if 89 loses, then we do 191. But 41 is going to win, and then 19 and 1, that's 20. 9 and 1 plus 20, that's 30, and 4, 34. And you see that we made a lot more than 34 here, so you get the idea. So, and even if it loses, we have something else in store for that. Ooh wee, baby. Ooh wee. So yeah, we go back down to 2. And it's never to forget to go back down to 2. It's an interactive thing. You cannot be lazy. You have to be ready to interact, my friend. To play around with this thing, man. It's absolutely amazing, my friend. So here we sell for 2, and that should have been our last trade, shouldn't it? It doesn't matter. We're gonna make one more. And this is episode 42 of the Infinite Trading Method. There is literally 41 more whole episodes, so you can watch all of them. Bring my views up, bro. Subscribe, like the video, you for me. Show some love, you for me. This is the best trading method on the planet. Do you want to watch the best trading method on the planet? Or do you not want to become the best trader on the planet? Anyways, that's another dub, you feel me? Let's go. Infinite Trading Method, like, comment, subscribe. This has been your host, Shamoy, the God Trader. GG.